Good morning, everybody. Okay, AGFY doing all right, hitting our profit taking, guys. This one was on our list in the pre-market. Swing picking, yes, it was kind of a sleepy day or a quiet day, but for this one is not AGFY. We have a really good entry for it in pre-market, guys, around the 44 before the breakout. And now hitting the 61. So this is one of the trade that we opened earlier today. Guys, let me know if you can hear me all right. Good morning, everybody. Let me know if you can hear me. AGFY, as we said, guys, the 36 is our support. So we held it perfectly. Exela coming up, guys. Exela is coming up from behind. So Exala, we might have some action later on, but now it hit major resistance. MLGO, it pumped and went down. So MLGO looking good as well. If we held the current support over the 477, yeah, we'll see if we're gonna have another kick. GOFX, no. So AGFY, guys, the only one that doing all right, hitting our profit taking that we discussed earlier today. Good morning, guys. Let me know if you can hear me all right. What a day it was today. Yes, it was really slow, but AGFY came from nowhere and broke the resistance. AGFY still looking good, guys. We have the breakout here. It was good entry around the 44. After we finish our live streaming, we suggest to take profit around the 60. That's why we have a bit of pullback. So we already got 30% on this trade. Again, this trade was on our live streaming today, early today, 2 hours, 30 minutes before the market opened. So if we go here, we see that AGFY, we already discussed before we finish our live streaming today, and we discussed the level for it. So as you can see here, we discuss AGFY for today. So yeah, so the 47, as we said, it was our resistance. And where is, yeah, so AGFY, it was around the 37 where we discuss it. We said the 58, almost the 60 cent is our profit taken. So it was really good, guys. That's why it's now is around the 61 before the market open. And we're still holding this trade, guys. The only trade for today that look good. We have a limit of buying power for this one around almost 2,000 shares. We've got 37% on this trade right now, so it's looking good. As we said, guys, this one was early in the pre-market. We spotted this one early in the pre-market. Okay, how everybody doing? I think everybody is sleeping, still sleeping. So IBRX, Hydro Hasla, great. We'll check it. IBRX. AGFY is the only one that look good, guys, right now. The only one. The only stock that look really good for today. Hunt, let me just check again if we got something else. AGFY, we got REVP or REVP. What's going on, man? The mini stocks pumping and dumping really quick, guys. We have mini stocks like ICU, Exela did the same, and this one pumping really quick and then dumping. We have a lot of traps right now for mini stocks. Be careful, everybody. The market have many traps. They pumping in just 5 minutes, then they dump. So we have to be really quick. So for now, we've got AGFY, guys, looking pretty nice. AGFY. Xander, yes, AGFY is the only one. Is the only one to watch for today. Hunt. We already discussed it, as we said early in our live streaming on Discord. It was really good to enter over the 36.90, and we entered before the breakout. It was around the 47, and we suggest to take profit around the 58, and now it's around the 60. That's why we have a bit of struggle. We could take our profit now, then enter again during the market open if we have a pullback, because right now we have a bit of struggle to continue. We have a bit of struggle to continue on this trade, so I think it's wise to exit right now with 30%, then enter again later on, because right now I feel that we might have a pullback. A pullback is a bit risky now. Okay, guys, how are you doing? How everybody going? MLGO jumping, yes. GME is dead for now. Yeah, GME is kind of dead a little bit. So guys, AGFY is better to take profit right now. I think I'm gonna close it before a flush. So we took 30% on this trade, guys, and now it's pulling back. It was good for entry for this one early in the pre-market live streaming on our Discord. Now is pulling back. So you see, sometimes it's wise to enter before the market open, because this is what happened. The market pulled back before for mini stocks before the market open. Hit the like button and the way in, everybody. Don't forget, hit the like button and the way in. Again, guys, we'll put the link down below for our Hunter channel. If you want to join our early live streaming, you can on the link in the live chat section. I just spin it. So, guys, AGFY hit our profit taken, as we said earlier on our Discord. It hit the 58, and now it's pulling back. So you know what we should do? We should update our levels, because we've got a major level to test after that around the 74, and then the $1.05. So now it hit our profit taken. We have another target to hit around almost the 80 cent. So yeah, we have almost the 74, but for now, let's see if we're gonna have a support. Yeah, we've got the support around over the 49. AGFY is still looking good. MLGO, we have a nice breakout. Big seller just came around the 580. Exela, guys, pumped and dumped right now around this level. We have a huge seller around the $3. Yeah, huge seller around the $3. Finally, let's see Excel in the big picture. Yeah, it's so much shorted, man. It's big shorted, so it's not wise to to trade it for now. You see, we didn't hold the gain that we did. My brother asked me about AREB, one of our hunter on Discord. So if you hear me right now, brother, we have the 68 as a resistant for this one to break. Support for that one stock is over the 46, I believe, or even below. Yeah, 45. So for this one, guys, we need to break the 68. And after that, we've got profit around the 87 and the $1.20. But for now, it's still bearish because we don't break this orange line yet. ASNS looking good for a breakout for today around the $2. RGLS, pump and dump, guys. This one we were watching closely and even traded in the pre-market. We didn't reverse, so we took a little loss after we broke this support. It wasn't wise to hold. That's why we continue to go down. You see, always have an exit strategy, guys, because let me just show you. If you don't exit with 4% loss, now you be 25% loss. So always have a limit, because once you go down, let's say 15%, 20, 25, it would be hard to exit from the trade. This one never recovered, so it's game over. You know what I'm gonna do? Just take it from the list. Simple as that. No hard feelings, man. No hard feelings. RSLS, game over. EPOW, let's check this one. I think it's game over as well. For now is not good. We didn't break the current resistance there. ICUs broke the support. So we've got AGFY, the only one that look juicy, everybody, really juicy. The only one with MLGO. It could be good as well to make the short cover around the 560. Let's check if we got something else moving in the pre-market. Guys, how everybody doing? Are we ready? Who's ready to trade with us for today? EOSE. Let's check this one. EOSE. Jumping. Nope. It pumped and dumped as well. So yeah, let us just focus on AGFY. DJT, we'll check it, man. How do you identify stock to trade, my brother? There's a lot of factor, Miguel. Great question. Miguel asked about how you identify which stock we should trade. So there's like many factors, but the most important thing is to verify the volatility and the volume for the stock, because if there is no volume for the stock, there's nobody trading the stock, is not wise to trade it. Okay, it's the same with verifying if the plant is alive or not by checking the roots. If there is like the plant is green and still alive or not, just by looking, by looking to the flower, you can see the flower healthy or dead, simple. The same with the stocks. When you be like a good garden, or you take care of plants so much, but with time, if the plants need water or something like this, or dead, or need fertilizer, it's just by looking at the color of the trees and the trunks, you can know if the tree needs something. The same with me right now with stocks. I looked at stock, I see if it's healthy to trade or not. As we said, the first thing is the volume, because it's water, is like water for us. Volume is like water for the stocks. The other thing is good news, of course. We have the other thing is we have offering, or we have buyout or something like this. I will be always looking on the news plus the technical. So there's many factors, but those the most important thing that make me at least disqualify many stocks We have almost 15,000 guys, 15,000 listed stocks. So we have to just watch for the one that will give us some gains, because all of them will be just like neutral or go up and down 1%. We don't need this, it's kind of waste of time. But great question, Miguel. Nvidia, whoa, Nvidia, we've got, man, short covering for Nvidia, guys. Short lost a lot of money because they were betting on Nvidia to go down. We have a great question here from one of our hunter about Nvidia. What's going on? Nvidia is heavily shorted, guys, by the short sellers, but they don't anticipate the AI news and the growth projection for Nvidia and the last earnings and the last split. They don't count this, and that's why we have a huge cover up for the short sellers, guys. But now we have a bit of pullback because it's overextended, guys, and we've got a really chance to buy the dip for Nvidia before a reversal up once again. But as we said, Nvidia won the game against the short sellers. That's why we've got a big jump. DJT, Shawana, the wine girl. I'm gonna call you the wine girl. I'm gonna check it. Everybody asking me about DJT. Even the little kitty, BB, ask about DJT. I think this guy, or I think this is a girl. You have a picture of a cat, a little kitty. To be honest, either you're a girl or a gay guy. One of the two. So I'm gonna check DJT, guys, right now. I'm gonna check DJT because we got many requests here. Where's DJT? Yes, I put it on the other list with the Reddit and the other crazy stocks. Yeah, DJT, guys, jumping last Friday 3% and now 10%. You see, that's why we see a lot of people asking about this, because DJT, guys, if this is the first radio for you, or the first trading session with us, remember DJT did 200% back, and again 100% here, and again in April 100%. So now there's another chance for another 100%, guys, because DJT, every time when it pump, guys. So now we have a major level for DJT to break, is being tested at the moment, around the 31. Yes, around the 31 there is a big seller, guys. Yeah, 31.40. It could make the short cover until the 36. This is will be a really nice in trade for this week. After that, we've got 44, and the major seller is still around the 55. So yeah, DJT, I'm gonna put it down here. It look really good. Reddit maybe as well, looking pretty good to me for a reversal from the 53. ASTS is still looking good. Everybody, I think we started to reverse here. This one is really crazy, guys. After the earnings back in May, this one did 500%, so it's not game over. FFIE, the same, look good. Lucy, still looking good. What else we've got here? LGVN, guys, those stocks are looking pretty good, man, for this week. Yo, this week I think would be like have high potential for this week, guys. We might do a major trade. This list alone, guys, this list alone is really hot, to be honest with you. This one, no, not good. And yeah, that's it. So DJT, guys, is looking really good. I'm gonna lower it down. Look really juicy for today. Thank you for the reminder. AGFY, guys, is still squeezing. Again, this trade, we did it early today, guys, on our Discord. We want our hunter for entry before this breakout. We already took our profit because we hit the 60 cent. As you see here, the green line is our profit taken, the orange line is the breakouts, and the support line or the stop loss we set over the 37. It was great hunt, guys. 2 hours and 30 minutes before this live streaming. We always do our live streaming every day, guys. The link in the live chat section, I just pin it. You can join our Discord and bitch over there, guys. Again, we have good news for REVP from Xander. Thank you. Yes, BB the little kitty. She's good. She's a girl. I know it, man. I know it. Everyone get in, CRKN. No, brother. Don't say this. Always say this is a financial advice, brother. Don't say this. Be careful. Remember, guys, everything we do here, not a financial advice, okay? So, REVB, we have good news. Let us check REVB. Let's see if we got something here. Oh boy, I was watching this one, guys, earlier. We have a big seller around the 340. So REVB, yes, we have a good news. That's why we have jump of 50%. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list, guys. So with DJT here, ASNS, okay. But now we watching MLGO, guys, and AGFY. Those the two, the only two that looking juicy for today, especially AGFY. How everybody doing? Hopefully you have a nice weekend, everybody, and ready to hunt with us because we've got only 4 minutes. Guys, 4 minutes before the market open. And of course, next month we have a big holiday, in the United States, which is Independence Day. Yes, next Thursday. No, not next Thursday, but the Thursday in July. Anyway, so we've got 3 minutes, guys. Disclaimer before we start our live streaming. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. We're not financial advisor. Let the price come to you and never run after the price. Today is Monday, the first day in the week, and we're ready hunted AGFY 30% in the pre-market for the market open because we discussed it here on our early live streaming, 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. We suggest to take profit around the 60, and that's what happened, and that's what we did. The price hit our level of profit before even the market open, and now we're waiting for another entry. So guys, hit the like button on the way in, and of course let us know which stock you hunt and what's if you spotted any stock in the early pre-market, just put it down. Only the active stocks, guys. If you have any news for any stock, just drop it to check it together. That's why what we do here, guys, to help each other out and hunt the market out. So 1 minute left or 2 minutes left. So hit the like, guys. Show some support and love. Show some support and love to our hunter channel. Yeah, we've got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left on the market open, guys. 2 minutes. Let's go. 2 minutes. Count down. Count down to the market. Yeah. Let's have some fireworks. This is it. Let's go. Only 20 seconds. 20 seconds left. Those 20 seconds, if you're doing plank, guys, those 20 seconds can turn to 20 minutes easily. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open. Hit the like button on the way in. Let's kick it for today. AGFY, MLGO, nothing. GOFX, REVB, DJT is flashing down. GameStop is reversing, guys. GameStop from the support. Nice. GameStop could go in a green today because we hit our bottom, the 22, guys, 2280. And you see we have a huge green candle here. We might have a huge reversal, and being green almost 10% would be good, guys. AMC still have a chance for reversal. AMC the same. AGFY is trying to break the resistance, guys. We've got a major resistance here, a major one. If we broke it, we might have a squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback toward the 50. AGFY, guys, 61. This trade we already traded in early pre-market today, and now is have a struggle to break the 61. Let's go. Yeah, we have a bit of struggle for AGFY, guys. Thank you, John. Yes, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, CRKN, we have a split, I think, a reverse split later. I don't like it so far. Yes, we have the split, reverse split 1 to 150 for tomorrow. So it's really risky play, guys. Not good to trade for now because the short has been shorting this one a lot. So even if we got reverse split, we have many level to break. So yeah, it's a bit risky, CRKN. We have to break the 44, the 044. But yeah, it could be good trade for tomorrow after the split. We might have some action. For now, we have to watch this one, AGFY. GovX broke, guys. What a nice pump for GovX. Let's see GovX. Okay, GOFX, guys, looking interesting right now. It's hitting the $3, just broke from the 268. Yeah, GOFX, guys, looking really strong, but the volume is a bit light, so I don't trust it that much because we might have a fake out now or a huge pullback. GO, yeah, this one is high risk, high reward, man. I'm just telling you guys, this one high risk, high reward. Yeah, GOFX, GOVX. It looked really interesting now, as long as we hold the 245. MLGO, the same, want to break the 580. AGFY didn't break, that's why we close it, guys, before the market open, as we suggest here early in our Discord to take profit around the 60 cent. That's why the price didn't break the 60 or the 61. GOVX, guys, this one is strong. is high risk, high reward, so we might have a little entry here. It look interesting for entry and exit very quickly if we have a pullback. Yeah, we have a breakout, guys. Breakout for GOVX, the only one that breaking and strong. We have REVB. We have a breakout for REVB, guys. REVB looking good as well. Let's go. We have hot market today. Not this one, man. What the? Why REVB? Why I don't have this one? REVB. Why is I don't have the American one, guys? This one 71%, and this REVB is okay. No, I don't have the American one. I have the English one. Are you kidding me? We don't have the United States one. This is really crazy. Man, I'm okay. I can't trade this one, guys. This one is really good to go toward almost the 380 and the 450, but I'm gonna leave it. Watching GOVX instead. AGFY is about to break the 61, guys. This one is about to break the 61. So we've got just a few stocks to watch. GOFX. MLGO have a struggle, so I'm gonna take it from the list. AGFY might be good right now, guys. AGFY might be good to break. Let's wait until we break the orange line. We didn't break it yet. Okay, GOFVX want to go toward the 359, guys. This is the target now. 359. We've got a major resistance here. AGFY is pumping. Yeah, this one is a bit risky, guys, because the volume is really light. Yes, sir. The same that happened earlier for ICU. But AGFY, 70 million worth of volume with REVB looking good, 4 million. So those two stocks is good, guys. Look at this. Both of them looking good. GOVX is like kind of shady right now. Looking shady. Looking shady. Yeah. We have a lift off, guys. Lift off for AGFY. Next target 74. 74 for AGFY. We've got a nice support here around the 55. Nice. AGFY is still pumping, guys. And REVB pulling back, of course, pulling back. We have a huge pullback here. So I'm gonna take it from the list, this one, guys, because we don't have it on our list. I'm gonna keep still AGFY, number one stock for today. MLGO could be good trade for today, guys. If we broke the 580, I'm gonna keep it here on the list. Nice. We've got something here for EPOW. I'm gonna put it down because we don't want to miss this trade, guys. Once we break the 86, will be good. MLGO is pulling back from the 580. So we have AGFY and GOFX, GOVX. Both of those stocks looking good for today. Yes, broke the resistance, guys. Guys, hit the like button on the way, and we always go live every day. We traded AGFY early in today live streaming. It was a good hunt, guys. We watched it with MLGO, EPOW, and of course this one was on the red mark. You see there's a red mark we bought here is mean on the top list. We have only two in the pre-market, and AGFY hit our profit taken before the market open, and now we have another pump for AGFY, guys, almost hitting our second profit taken around the 74. So AGFY, guys, almost hitting the second profit taken. GOVX, as we said, this is high risk, high reward, but the volume, we don't like it. It's just half a million, a bit little for this stock, really little volume. So the better one is that we should watch is MLGO because we have 9 million, and EPOW not now. So yeah, we left with MLGO and AGFY. And GOFX, guys, I'm gonna take it from the list. It doesn't look good for now. Not good. Really not good. So yeah, we have to watch MLGO. Yeah, this is it. We have just two stocks to watch, guys. Two stocks for today. AGFY, as we said, was perfect entry in the live streaming today. We took almost 30% from this rate. And it was, the profit taken triggered before or during our live streaming, this live streaming that we did on YouTube. So we have to wait almost 1 hour. You see, sometimes you have to wait, guys. It's not really fast. Sometimes it would be like a few seconds, and sometimes you have to wait for 1 hour at least. We have RGLS, yeah, ouch. RGLS is not good. Yes, broke our support. So for this one, guys, almost hit our profit taken around the 74. That's why we're pulling back now. REBB, guys, we don't have it on our list. We don't have it. Yeah, it looked good. Look really good, but we don't have it on our list, man. We have the $3.80 now to break. MLGO jumping, guys. MLGO jumping, and I think is about to get halted, maybe. Oh man, MLGO is about to get halted. Guys, we have the 623 to be tested right now. Guys, MLGO is going toward the $6.23. Come on. I think it's better to take profit here, guys, because we might get rejected. $6.12. Nice. $6.12. I think we're halted, guys, for MLGO. Let me just check. We have a really good entry before the haltation. I think, yeah, I think we're halted, but it's not there yet. Let me just refresh. MLGO is halted with reason code LUDP. Everybody, haltation quote is around the 9:44. 1 minute ago, guys. 1 minute ago with SWVL. So we have a nice entry for MLGO before the haltation. So now we're waiting for MLGO to get unhalted to take profit very quickly because we backed hitting over the 6.23. Yes, because this is will be 1 minute or 1%. So let me adjust the level. Would be really good if we went there. Yeah, around the 786 would be perfect. If we have hit this level, we should exit. Yeah, we have the 689 after the haltation, guys. We could do 10% more, 10% more. AGFY and MLGO, this is the only two stocks. With, let me just check. We have LRE and SWVL. Both those stocks got halted, everybody. Let's check if they got halted up or down and see if there's opportunity for us to trade. LRE, light on volume, man, is dead. The other one is dead as well. So we've got only AGFY and MLGO. Let us check the other stocks. EPOW might have a chance to break this resistance around the 86. DJT, Exela, nope. Nope. AMC in green, guys. In a bit of a green. So it's not bad. Holding tightly over our support. We have a huge buyer here, big green candle. So this is good reaction, because if we didn't have this reaction today, it mean game over for GameStop. But it held our support, so it's not bad. Guys, hit the like button and the way in if you just watching from your bathroom. So don't hit it if you are inside the bathroom or in your car. Don't hit the like button. Safety is first and bathroom is first. So GOFVX, I think I took it from the list, I believe. What's going on here? GOVX is still pumping. Still pumping and still holding. Because yeah, I took it from the list because the volume is not stable, it's still slow. Yeah, so I'm not trading this one. It's really hard to predict what's gonna happen later. So we've got a major level for MLGO, guys. The only stock that look interesting because it's halted up. And remember, this one is acquisition, guys. Don't trade this one. 77%, but it's gone already. Is acquisition. MLGO still halted. Tesla 2% in green, getting near the breakout. What else we've got here? Exela, yes, jumping after many days of selling pressure. RGLS went to our bottom, the 183, man. What a crazy pump and dump. MLGO, the resumption is now. Yeah, we have a gap up. Let's see if we hold the gap that we did now. If we held the gap, would be perfect. But I think we crashing down. Not yet. So MLGO unhalted. Let's see if we're gonna have the short cover around the 630. Again, the 567 should be our support. We don't want to break this level, guys. If we broke it, this means this breakout it was fake out, or the breakout is not successful, and the short added their position after the halt. EPOW, guys, is preparing for a squeeze. Who's ready for this one? EPOW is preparing. We have the first sign for short cover up here. Breaking this trend. We'll see if we're gonna break. MLGO is almost game over, guys. Almost. So what's gonna be? Are we gonna have a reversal? Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Yes, we've got the seller here, man. Okay, this one almost over, guys. Almost. Let's see. Still, there is a chance for a reversal from the 551. We'll give it some time, guys, for this one to reverse. Like AGFY, it reversed really perfectly from our support, 61. We have a good recovery. DJT is moving. Guys, DJT is moving perfectly. We have many people talking about DJT because Donald Trump is moving. Guys, DJT is moving again. I'm gonna put it down. This is not joke, guys. DJT mean business. Okay, DJT, guys, is moving perfectly. Want to break here, 14%. DJT, guys, DJT. Yo, DJT is strong. Donald Trump, guys, is coming. Is coming to rescue DJT. Oh man, this one could be good for entry. Let me just check here. Oh, brother, DJT is preparing for a breakout. Still not yet, guys. Still not yet. MLGO is kind of dangerous right now. If we broke the 550, it's mean game over. Still game on. But DJT, oh man, DJT guys, not ready yet, you see? Yeah, it hit the major resistance here. We need to break the 3150 guys to have a squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback. This one, if you want to enter right now, guys, make sure to have in mind almost 10%. Stop loss is 10% or just around the 28, 24. We have to break the 3160 to squeeze. Little squeeze, not bigger squeeze, but at least around the 36.66. After that, the 44.45. Okay, DJT, Donald Trump, guys, coming to rescue the stock. Donald Trump Media or Trump Media share rise and expectation of 69 million from exercise of warrants. Whoa. We have expectation of 69 million, guys, coming up for DJT. Donald, oh, Trump Media, Donald Trump Media. Yeah, Trump Media shares. Let's see. Yeah, this one looking interesting still. MLGO start to reverse, everybody. AGFY, guys, we have a major resistance around the 37, double top. So be careful. We might have the ultimate price here. I think we hit our ceiling for today. If we didn't break the 73, is mean this one is gonna go to sleep. Yeah, better. Volume is really low on GameStop. It's getting lower, guys. From 500 to 500 million to 200 to 150. Now it's just less than 10 million. Figo, thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Greg, you are the goat, man. You are, because you are one of our brother and hunter. Thank you, man. Thank you. So DJT, guys, is about to bump here, guys. So this one is high risk, high reward, guys. DJT is about to do something crazy. We have the 2824 as a support. DJT is launching out, guys. Is about to have a huge launch. So we have DJT, AGFY, MLGO. What a nice reversal, guys, for MLGO, as we expected, guys. Reverse from the $5.51, hit our resistance again around the 624. What a nice trade for this one, guys. How much we reversed here? 10%. EPOW didn't break. Nothing much here. GameStop started to reverse from our bottom. So we've got DJT, guys, to watch with AGFY and maybe MLGO, because MLGO has double top right now around the 627. As we said, guys, the 550, if we broke it, is game over. But we reverse perfectly. Nice reversal here. Yes, sir. Oh, man, you're a bit late, man. AGFY was perfect in pre-market. We already traded in pre-market, was really good entry in the pre-market. Now we have a nice support over the 55. Resistant to break is around the 73. So AGFY, brother, it was really good to enter here before this breakout. We already discussed it there on our live streaming. 2 hours, brother. Make sure to wake up a bit early, brother, because we already discussed AGFY here, as you can see. We discussed AGFY, everybody, as you can see here. Before the breakout, around the price was around the 43. We entered around the 44. And of course, now is over the 60 cent, man. Almost 40% in gain. Now it's 70 cents. So AGFY was really great in pre-market, brother, for better entry. Now we've got DJT, guys. DJT, Trump Media, doing crazy good now. MLGO, the same, look really good to break from the 627. So those only the stocks that look good, guys. The rest is history. Next level, man, please, brother, don't use any bad words, man. We have a family show here. We have kids and family watching our live streaming. So please, brother and sister, don't use profanic words. But I understand, brother. I understand your frustration. However, what you say right now, like AMC and GameStop, is worthless or worse than buying feces or whatever. Yeah, it depends, man. It depends. If you bought really late, yes, could be. But AMC and GameStop, brother, don't buy them where when they consolidate because your money will be stuck, you know? So the idea for AMC and GameStop, you enter and exit very quickly. It's like waiting for the right wave. You surf, then go on the beach, drink your cocktail, and just watch the sea. You don't have to surf, you know? This is AMC and GameStop. You don't have to be in the water to enjoy the water. You just be in the beach, enjoy the sun, you know? Anyway, DJT, guys, is breaking out. AGFY didn't because we have a major resistance here around the 71. MLGO want to break from the 640. So we have three stocks, guys. Only three stocks for today. DJT looking interesting now. I understand next level. I understand your situation, man. It's not you alone. Many people bought and still holding. And even some people got like lately for the last jump, then they didn't take their profit or they close with breaking even, you see? So this is even worse. You know, if you entered or averaged down and you were at least in a green, then you didn't close your trade before the sell-off, this would be even worse. Redzel, try to join or try to use Momo instead on Webull, brother. Here you have the link down. If you want to use a new broker that give you like trading hours, like in pre-market and after hours, try Momo, brother. It's really good. And you have a new IBO for mini stocks, so you have more options to trade all the stocks that we're trading right now. Is perfect if you want to trade the Chinese stocks or the pharmaceutical company that newly listed. You can get them on Momo, brother. Walter White, SMCI. Yes, I will check it, brother. String picking. This is the case with Minis broker in United States, brother. You have to have 25,000 at least. String picking, I think this is the issue in United States. All the broker, you have to have 25 in order to have like you're not gonna get struck with pattern traders. But this is in United States. So if you live in United States, this is the issue everywhere, brother. Any broker have the same. String picking, no, man. We build the same. Every broker in United States have the rule of the 25K. The only option is to have offshore accounts, you know. So you have to discuss this with your tax guy or special uh, like special lawyer for that. Okay, so DJT looking interesting, guys, here. DJT, we have some news about Donald Trump coming back with the last vote and the last election. We've got some news for this one to continue. As you can see here, DJT got shorted big time since May and now started to reverse in June. So this is it. Right now, we've got a chance for catching the next jump. AGFY started to pull back, guys. This one was really good in the pre-market, everybody. The entry was around the 44 cents. We discussed this early in our live streaming that we did on our Discord. If you want to join, guys, the link in the live chat section to our Discord and Patreon, and still in bullish trend. The best trade for today was AGFY. DJT could be a good runner later. MLGO didn't break the resistance, but there's a chance for a breakout now. So those the only stock that look good for today. However, we're gonna do another update for all of them later, guys. So expect a major update later on our Discord and Patreon. We're gonna do it on Unicorn Hunt, and I will try to see if we're gonna have a swing trade for you guys, for the King and Elite members. However, in the time being, watch out for a major update for AGFY, DJT, and MLGO because there is a drastic change in the chart coming up later on. Yeah, I agree with you. GameStop and AMC need to pump now, man. If they didn't pump this week, yes, the short will have a really pretty chance to short GameStop and AMC much further. So this is it. We need to have a recovery, a reversal. KAVL, KAVL. I'm gonna check it right now, man. Let's see. KAVL. What's going on here? Yes, we have $1.63. Could be a nice level to break. This is a new resistance, brother. We already discussed this before, but the price broke the trend and broke the support back in 15th of June around the 450. So this was the best place to exit here, 450, because we broke it. And now the short seller added their position lately around the 160. The bottom is around the $1. So be careful, brother. If we broke the $1, is really risky because we might drop below the $1 and go toward the 50 cent or even below. For now, we're still holding the one. We have the chance to squeeze again, at least around the $2.30 if we broke the 163. So the short have to cover next time around this level, the orange line, the 163. This is for Caval, brother. Okay, DJT is still fighting. AGFY is about to break the trend. And the MLGO is the only one that looks strong with DJT. So we have just two stocks right now looking strong. Tony, great question. We're gonna do update for CCL. We're gonna do a short entry update for our hunters for CCL. We're gonna do a swing trade for CCL. We've got earnings coming up. So watch out for major updates, guys, for CCL later on. Thank you for the reminder. MLGO, guys, what a crazy test right now. $6.27. What a crazy test. Three tests. Big seller around the $6.27, guys. Big seller is not moving. He's not moving. John, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome always. Guys, be on the lookout. MLGO is preparing and cooking something delicious, guys. Something delicious. $6.27, big seller. They have to cover, guys. There's a big fight for MLGO happening right now. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in and come early tomorrow for our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open that we always do on our YouTube channel. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, 2 hours and 30 minutes as usual every day to trade the market. Today we traded AGFY and we took our profit around the 60, and we suggest for another profit taken around the 73. We hit it, and now that's why we pulling back. So yeah, this one was the best trade for today in early live streaming. We did almost 40%, guys. After this breakout, yeah, almost 40. Okay, from here, I think we pumped from there. Yes, we did almost 50%. Yes, 50% in total. But we closed it before that. We did 30% for us. So AGFY, it was the only unicorn for today. DJT could be later unicorn with MLGO. So we're gonna do update later on for this one, guys. Xander, you are welcome. So expect a major update for you guys on the unicorn hunt, and of course we're gonna do a swing trade for CCL. I think we have earnings tomorrow pre-market, so we have to do an urgent trade for CCL for our king and elite traders. We'll suggest for entry and exit, where to enter and where to exit. And of course, if we drop whatever, if the price was red or if we have bad earnings, we could buy the dip. If you can't short, of course, you just buy the dip. And if we have a good earnings, we could buy the rep. So whatever the case, we could have a good trade for CCL before the earnings, and we could suggest how to do that and where we enter and exit. So we're gonna do the trade, guys, on the King Elite Swing Trade. To make sure to put the notification on once we put the trade for tomorrow, I think pre-market. And after that, or before that, we're gonna do update for three stocks, as we said, MLGO and AGVY and DJT. Now we have a requested stock from our elite. Hi, Jesus. Any update on MLGO? I'm gonna put a short analysis update for you, brother, after we finish our live streaming right now. I'm gonna send you the link because right now is about to break a major level. So we might have a good trade for it right now because it's about to break a major level, everybody. So let's get right to it. And DJT is breaking and have a major shift right now. Wow. So we have a really good trade for this one is coming up. Okay. Yes. So I'm gonna make a short analysis update for you, brother, for this one. So guys, thank you for watching. I will do a major update. If you are on Discord and Patreon, brother and sister, I'm gonna do a short analysis update for you on our Discord in a little bit. After we finish our live streaming, I'm gonna just update you guys for the short analysis update. And of course, Dave, I will send you the link right now after we finish our live streaming for the entry and exit for MLGO trade. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, and 30 minutes, yes, before the market open, and before that, 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, and our Discord and Patreon. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any question about how to join our Hunter channel to Discord and Patreon, you can send me directly toward this account, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. I'm gonna reply as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, everybody. See you soon, and always take care and don't overtrade the market. Thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow.